New information tonight about the Philadelphia judge who dismissed charges against Mark Dial, the former Philly police officer accused of killing Eddie Irizarry.
Our Jeff Cole in Center City with more.
Were all sides treated fairly last week when a city judge dropped all charges against an ex-cop charged with murder? Or should the judge have stepped away? When Fox 29 reported last week that Municipal Court Judge Wendy Pugh hired an attorney now with the law firm of McMonagle and Perry to handle her divorce 10 years ago, Zoraida Garcia says she figured the fix was in. Last Tuesday, Pugh, seen here on Facebook, dropped all charges against former city police officer Mark Dial in the killing of Garcia's nephew, Eddie Irizarry. McMonagle and Perry represented Dial.
To know now that she's a client, it's messed up, because now we feel like the system failed us all over again, because the system is supposed to play fair.
Judge Pugh, 56, has not responded to Fox 29's calls for comment. Last week, Pugh's divorce lawyer, Walter McHugh, on the phone said, "I'm not talking about that right now, brother," and quickly ended the conversation. The Pennsylvania Ethics Guide for Judges states they should give the public confidence in their independence, fairness, impartiality, integrity, and competence. Fox 29 asked the DA if he believes his prosecutors got that from Pugh. His answer was cautious. Do you think Judge Wendy Pugh should have recused herself from the preliminary hearing last week based on the fact that she had used a McGonigal and Perry attorney in her divorce 10 years earlier?
I appreciate the question. I appreciate the reporting around that topic, but I have no further comment on that at this time.
Krasner has appealed Pugh's decision to clear Dial and hopes to refile the charges, including murder.
We fully intend to take the case that you are talking about to a jury trial.
Dial, fired from the police force, shot Irizarry within seconds of stopping him in Kensington. Dial's lawyers argue he fired in self-defense. Irizarry's family says he was not a threat. Should Judge Pugh have recused herself last Tuesday?
The rules in Pennsylvania don't require a judge to recuse themselves under those circumstances.
J.C. Lohr is a distinguished professor of law at Rutgers Law School and the director of trial advocacy. He says Judge Pugh did not have to step away from the Dial case last week if she believed she could be fair, but disclosing her past hiring of McHugh may have avoided controversy.
The rules recommend that a judge should disclose that information to the parties, even if they don't believe personally that they need to recuse themselves, but it's not a mandate.
The appeal in this case is scheduled for later this month. At the Criminal Justice Center, Jeff Cole, Fox 29 News.